Holdout 3. Let's see how we do that. Basically the same way as the other two. Bring in your troops. I use Devout, 9 Absolvers, and Braden. I just make a ring. Where does he need to go? I don't know. As good as any. First thing we do, just guess at where they go. All right, now we need to start shooting a couple of these. I just soften them up a little bit so Absolvers can kill them with one shot. Technically, you don't have to do any of this. The Absolvers will just kill them. I just soften them up a little bit. Okay, these guys come over. You're going to kill these guys right away because they will damage your Absolvers. All right, done. That's what I wanted to do. Okay, now we're just going to watch, and whenever we see the tank show up, basically the Absolvers will kill everything. Devout's in the middle, so everything's going to him. And the Braden, I just use him to loosen up the tanks. Here comes a tank right here. There's one right there. The Absolvers will kill the tanks, but sometimes it takes more than one shot. Well, if I can loosen them up just a little bit, then when the Absolvers shoot them, they shoot them dead in one shot. Because my Absolvers are only level 15. When they get to be level 20, they'll kill them in one shot. But I don't have 20s. But as you can see, there's never really a threat. Let's see what we got here. Back up. All right. Come over here. Run through there. Let's go get a tank. So that's all it is. You just, technically you don't have to do anything. You can just sit in the circle if you want. But I'll fall asleep if I just sit in the circle, so I go do something. But by loosening them up a little bit, the Absolvers kill them quickly. And that's it. You just make a ring. I stay away from the air because the air will damage my Braden. So I let the Absolvers clear the air and then I go attack. If the air shows up, I stay away. Uh-oh, air. The air will damage you, so I stay away from the air. With Braden. The Absolvers will clear the air easily. But the air will kill, well, it will damage, won't kill your Braden. It'll damage your Braden. That's all it is. You just keep watching to see what shows up. I think the air will come to support them, so then we'll turn around. Yeah, see, here comes the air. Let the Braden kill the air. Let's see what we got here. War dogs. War dogs are worthless. All right, the air is gone. Let's go soften them up. Like I said, you basically can just sit around and do nothing. And the base will defend itself. Okay. I think air is going to come. Yeah, here comes air. Get out of there. As soon as the absolvers kill the air, I'll go attack them. All right, let's go get them. Everything helps, but it's absolutely unnecessary. That was it. And because we did the 150 boost, we get 3 million XP.